Basic concepts of sound. Sound, form of energy, which gives sensation of hearing. Propagation of sound. Vibrating object pushes and compresses air in contact and creates high pressure region. Compression. C. Compression moves away from object. Object moves backwards and creates low pressure region. Rarefaction R in the bracket. A series of C and R propagate sound which ultimately reaches ear. How does sound propagate? Medium, matter of substance through which sound is transmitted. Material medium like air, water, etc. needed for sound propagation. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. What are sound waves? Longitudinal waves. In these, particles of medium move in direction parallel to direction of propagation. It is a mechanical wave. Characteristics of sound waves: wavelength, time period, frequency, amplitude, speed. Wavelength, lambda symbol. Distance between two consecutive compressions or two consecutive rarefactions. SI unit, meter. Time period, minimum time required to complete one vibration or a wave. SI unit, seconds. Frequency, number of vibrations or waves produced per second. SI unit, hertz. Hz, maximum displacement of particles of medium from their normal position when a wave passes through it. SI unit, meter. Its amplitude. After that, speed, v represented. Distance traveled by a wave in 1 second. V equals v lambda. Frequency, quality and timbre, quality or timbre. And second is pitch, distinguishes sound of quality, distinguishes sounds of same pitch and loudness, depends upon the waveform. Pitch, distinguishes between sounds of same loudness. Greater the frequency, greater is the pitch. Amplitude, there is one more point. Loudness, measures how strong is a sound. Measures how strong a sound is. Greater the amplitude, greater is the loudness. Greater is the loudness. After that, sound, in sound there is one more. Reflection of sound. Laws of reflection. Directions in which sound is incident and is reflected make equal angles with the normal to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. Second point, all the three lie in the same plane. After that, the reflection of sound has 3 points. Uses of multiple reflections, echo, echo, reverberation, reverberation, megaphones, horns, musical instruments like trumpets, and designed to send sounds in particular direction. Stethoscope, a medical instrument used for listening sounds within body. Ceilings of concert halls, conference halls, and cinema halls are curved. Echo, echo, repetition of sound due to reflection of original sound by a large and a hard obstacle. To hear a distinct echo, the time interval between the original sound and the reflected one must be at least 0.1 seconds, and the minimum distance from a sound reflecting surface should be 17.2 meters at 20 degrees Celsius at centigrade. Reverberation, persistence of sound due to repeated reflection. Persistence of sound due to repeated reflection. It is reduced by covering roof and walls of auditorium and sound absorbent material like compressed fiberboard, rough plaster, or draperies. After in the sound, there is second point, range of hearing. Audible sound, infrasonic or infrasound, ultrasonic sound or ultrasound. Okay, audible sound. Range of frequencies of sound which can be heard by the human ears. It is between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Infrasonic sound. Sounds of frequency less than 20 Hz. Sound waves of frequency ultrasonic. Sound waves of frequency greater than 20,000 Hz. Audible sound. Detection of sound by humans. Human ear converts pressure variations in air with audible frequencies into electric signals. These signals travel to brain via auditory nerve. Structure has three parts. Outer ear, pinna, collects sound from surrounding and passes through auditory canal to eardrum or tympanic membrane. Middle ear, comprised of three bones, hammer, anvil, and stirrup. Stirrup, RUP, STIR, amplifies sound and transmits to inner ear as pressure variations. Inner ear pressure variations are turned into electrical signals by cochlea, COCHLEA, which are sent to brain via auditory nerve. And ultrasonic sound or ultrasound. Their applications are to clean parts located in places difficult to reach, spiral tube, electronic components, etc. To detect flaws in metal blocks without damaging them. To view parts of heart by echocardiography. To break small kidney stones. To examine fetus by ultrasonography. Echo ranging by sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. It is a device which is used in the ships to locate rocks, icebergs, submarines, etc., and to measure the depth of sea. Hitch are sent to brain via auditory nerve. Speed, like we studied before, the speed as factors affecting speed. Properties of medium through which it travels. Travel. Temperature of medium increases with increasing temperature. Temperature. Sorry. After that, one second. Temperature of medium increases with increasing temperature. Speed decreases on going from sound from solid to gaseous state. Third point. Fourth point. Humidity of air. More points to remember. Sound is a mechanical wave because it needs a material medium like solid, liquid, or gas for its propagation. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. And sound propagation is the energy of the sound that travels and not the particles of the medium. The change in density from one maximum value to the minimum value and again to the maximum value makes one complete oscillation. The sensation of sound persists in our brain for about zero point 0.1 seconds. The quality of sound is based on the following characteristics. Loudness depends upon the amplitude of the wave. Greater the amplitude, greater is the loudness. Pitch, it depends upon the frequency of sound. Greater the frequency, is the pitch. Timbre or quality of the sound, it depends on the shape of the sound wave and distinguishes between pleasant sound and unpleasant sound. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. It is a device used to look at rocks, icebergs, submarines, etc., and to measure the depth of the sea. Sound waves is the frequency below the audible range are termed infrasonic, and those above the audible range are termed ultrasonic. Important formulas: frequency v equals 1 upon t, and speed equals 1 upon t. Velocity v equals v lambda, means speed into lambda. Total distance traveled by ultrasound 2s equals vt. 2s equals vt.